Hi everyone, welcome to Face Training Club. My name is Gabor Kristóf and I will be your face trainer. Before we start the training, let me first talk a little bit about face training. The method that I teach is based on the Faceline face training that was developed 16 years ago by a Hungarian lady named Marta Bojtor. I'm 42 years old now and I started face training 5 years ago. So what you can see on my face is 5 years of hard work. Face training works in a very simple way. We train the muscles until they become strong and firm enough to pull the skin back to its original place on the face. When the muscles lose strength, the skin starts to sag. Just look at Dr. Jeffrey Life. He was in his 70s in this photo, but his body looks at least 30 years younger because he keeps his muscles firm. But we can tell that he has never done any facial or neck muscle exercise. Just imagine if he did. So this is the difference that training makes. The facial muscles are the same as the other muscles on the body. They can be trained. If you want to get optimal results, you have to do face training at least 2 times weekly, just like when you are exercising in the gym. Stamina is one of the most important qualities that can help to improve the state of your face. So you have to invest your time, but this is a very good investment. I got much more back from face training than I expected. When you are standing in front of the mirror and you really like what you see, then that will boost your confidence. But now let's go into the details.